Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy, your independent Scentsy consultant. So, just back from the Scentsy family reunion at the weekend, and my convention kit has shipped. So, I think at this stage I'm actually back a week, but this has arrived today, which is Monday. So, I've got the box opened and just the paper taken out, so I'm just going to go through everything that I'm after getting in my kit. So the first thing I have is this little pet pouch thing that has Scentsy Pet Parent on the front. So inside we've got this little buddy clip, which is Hattie the Collie. Oh, it smells really good. Can't remember the fragrance this is. It kind of smells like oodles of orange. But yeah, oh, it's so cute. This is all for launching the new pet care line. I'll be trying it out on my fur babies later. Okay. So we got this little stand for displaying the brochures, which explains the 3 products we have. So we've got the Best Bud Suds, which is the shampoo, then you have the No Knot Spot, which is the detangling spray, and then the Freshen Up Pup. Okay, what else? Okay, so we've got our little leaflets then to go into that stand. Okay, and some postcards. Nice. So these are available in 3 different fragrances. Let's see if I have them here. Yeah, so there's oatmeal and aloe. This mellow mix of oatmeal, aloe and delicate almond blossom will soothe the senses and the soul. Then you have honey and chamomile. So honey and vanilla brighten up chamomile for a fragrance that's as sweet as a sunny day. And then the last one is orange zest and nectar. Tangy orange zest and sweet nectar are softened by subtle waves of white grain. So here they are. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, nice. So we have a sample of the Shimmer laundry detergent, which is coming on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday's the 1st. So yeah, coming next Sunday. So I think in my whiff box that I've also recently got, there was washer whiffs of Shimmer as well. So these are going to go perfectly together. Okay, what else? Okay, first one. Okay, this is one of the pet products. So this is No Knot Spot. So this is the detangling spray. I wonder, do I have to... Oh yeah. That smells really nice. Let's see. The next I have is the Best Bud Suds. This is quite a nice big bottle. So this is the pet shampoo. So these are all available. This we got in honey and chamomile. Let's smell what this is like. Oh, it actually smells really edible. Get a lovely smell of honey. Okay, starting to run out of room here. What's the next? Okay. Bathroom cleaner, and this one is in coconut lemongrass. Really looking forward to trying this out. Okay. Counter clean. So we got this in the June subscription box, I think. The whiff box, and it was in Driftwood Bay and I loved it, so I think I have a video done on it. This one now is in Lemon Verbena. I love this scent as well. It's a lovely fresh scent for the kitchen. Okay, so we've got honey and chamomile stickers for the pet products. Excellent. What else? Okay, so this is the Freshen Up Pup. So this is the dog deodorizing spray, again in honey chamomile. Have a quick squirt. Oh wow. Oh, that smells so good. What else do we have? Scentsy Fresh. Okay, so Scentsy Fresh is another new product coming. This one you can spray it on bedding, on curtains, on any fabrics, couches, etc. And this one is in aloe water and cucumber. Looking forward to trying this out too. Wow, they're spoiling us already. Okay, I think that's the end of the box on that side. What else is here? Okay, so this is one of the new warmers. Just take it out. So don't lose these. These are the little rubber rings that you'll need for fitting them onto their plugins. This one actually came with a base, so it's brand new. Okay, so it's an all-in-one. It's the ceramic base that you use for this if you have a plug-in, or the ceramic tabletop base. Wow, this looks so good. This is the ceramic tabletop base. Really excited to get these. We've not had these before. Let's see if I can do it live on video again. More rings that you can use. This one is with a 3-pin plug. We have our little light bulb here as well. Starting to run out of space quickly here. Undone. They've had these in the US for a while, so I'm actually quite excited that we finally got them. So this basically turns your mini plug-in into like a regular warmer. Okay, just see, is there anything else in the box? Oh, there's one other thing. Ooh. Okay. What I'll do is screw in the light bulb. Okay, so there's one rubber ring on it already. So I'm just going to try it with that and just see how that fits. I think it just twists to the side. Okay. A little wobbly, so let's see if I just put another ring on. Maybe I'll go for the thicker ring. I'll just maybe try that thicker ring on its own. So I'll just take off this one ring that's already on there. So I'll put on the thicker ring. Excellent. Let me see how that works. Yeah, it's a lot steadier. Okay, I'm going to plug this in. I'll just move some of these things into the box again, and we'll see what this looks like when it's turned on. Apologies now if it glows a bit too bright. So, let's see. Oh, that's really nice. I like I'd say this will cast some nice shadows. Yes, it does. I don't know if you can't really see this. I'll just move the camera a little bit just to show you the shadow patterns that are just on the wall here. Oh, that's going to be amazing. I have another few ceramic bases that I'd like to put on, ceramic warmers that I want to put on with this tabletop base. So that's going to be pretty cute. I think it'll come into its own at Christmas when I have a few minis that I don't have enough wall plugs for. Wall sockets even. Okay. This is the fragrance flower. this up. So we got this in Luna. So we have the bottle of oil. Just have a quick. Oh, it smells amazing. So there's a little plastic part in there that'll come out. And then the next bit is the flower. Open this up. Now these are handmade, so they actually have a little wick. Let's see how to open this. Oh wow. This is exquisite. So as these are handmade, there's no two are going to be alike. Look at the detail on this. So you just put this into the bottle. This is going to give you up to 60 days of fragrance. So the oil will soak into the wick and up to the petals. And I believe, even though they kind of feel papery, it's actually made from a wood, I think. So yeah, this is going to be brilliant now again in bathrooms where you can also use the Scentsy Go, especially over here where we don't tend to have sockets in the bathrooms. So anywhere you don't have a power outlet, you can use one of these. It'd be great on a coffee table, on a dressing table, on a nightstand locker, bedside locker. So it'll look nice and smell great too. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. As always, I'll give a review once I've done that. And yeah, so that's everything we got in the kit. So I'll be making some more videos this week. I'll be doing some first sniffs of the new catalogues. I'll be trying out some of the pet products on the two fur babies, Lady and Spot. I'll be trying out the counter clean now in the new fragrance, and also the bathroom cleaner and the Scentsy Fresh, just to give my thoughts on that. And yeah, looking forward to it. We also have some very cool products coming. So the new catalogue is next Sunday. So my my website will be down for maintenance, and it should be back up by approximately 3 p.m. And after that, then the harvest products are going to be also available. So we've got some really cool things coming. Check out my Instagram and my Facebook page just for more information on what's coming. Off the top of my head, there's like this harvest soap special. There's a Harvest Scentsy bars which aren't in the catalogue. These are only in the Harvest collection. There's a Jack Skellington limited time offering warmer, so we're all really excited for that. Stalk the website if you want it, because I think this is going to be a really popular one. So yeah, get stalking that website from 3 p.m. even try it beforehand just in case it goes live early. I'll actually be away on holidays, so I'm planning a trip. I'm actually going away on Thursday and I'll be back very late Sunday night. So didn't quite time that one properly, wasn't fully aware of the dates when I was booking that, because I wasn't thinking about the 1st of September being on the Sunday, and I was just like, oh, it'd be nice to get away. So yeah, heading off to Italy for the weekend. But yeah, it should be an exciting weekend coming because it's my birthday as well, Thursday. So looking forward to jetting off to Italy on Thursday for that. And then Sunday, the new catalogue launches. So there's some fantastic products like this the flower diffuser. There's also the fan diffuser, the wall fan diffuser that was launched, so I think I have a separate video on that again. So yeah, really excited. I think each autumn winter season the catalogue just seems to get better and better, and this year Scentsy have just kind of bombarded us with new products, and yeah, it's really exciting to get all of this. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts. just like this video as well, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can hear of any new videos that I'm making. And if there's any products that you like that are coming in the new catalogue, I'll also provide a link for the catalogue in the description here. So the new autumn winter catalogue, I'll have that link in. So if there's anything you're excited about, just maybe comment below and tell me what you think. There's quite a lot now in this catalogue that I'm really excited for, and I just can't wait.